As we eagerly approach the highly anticipated Unpacked event for the Galaxy S24 series, new details about the flagship are continuously surfacing. Just a day after comprehensive specifications were revealed for the complete Galaxy S24 lineup, leaked images have emerged, showcasing some groundbreaking features. In this video, we'll delve into 3 major updates, providing insights into performance enhancements, display technology, and leaked images of first-party cases. Section 1: Performance Boost with Vapor Chamber Technology. One of the most significant updates to the Galaxy S24 series lies in its performance. Both the Exynos 2400 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chips will power these smartphones. Confirming previous speculations, these phones will incorporate a vapor chamber significantly larger than those found in the Galaxy T23 series. The vapor chamber sizes vary across models, with a 1.5 times increase for the S24, 1.6 times for the S24 Plus, and an impressive 1.9 times larger for the top-tier S24 Ultra variant. This enhancement effectively manages the increased power, ensuring optimal performance. The touch response of the display has also been improved by 12%, making it 10% faster than previous models. This improvement is particularly beneficial for gaming, enhancing the user experience for games like Call of Duty. Additionally, the displays are now noticeably brighter compared to the Galaxy S23 series, supporting ray tracing features in compatible games. Section 2: Enhanced touch responsiveness and display technology. Rumors suggest that the Galaxy S24 lineup will feature enhanced touch responsiveness, with a speed increase of more than 10%. This improvement aims to make the user interface I feel more responsive and connected to user input, complementing the 120 Hz refresh rate. The S Pen experience on the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to benefit the most from this enhancement. Display technology has also seen improvements, with all models equipped with Super 2X displays featuring LTPO backplanes and made with M13 materials. These displays, potentially the Super 2X panels introduced by Samsung, may offer impressive brightness levels of up to 2000 nits, a significant upgrade from the predecessor's 1750 nits. Section 3: Leaked image of first-party cases. In a leak from reliable sources, we now have a glimpse of Samsung's complete lineup of first-party cases for the Galaxy S24 series. While not all cases are visible, the image showcases a variety of silicone and leather cases in colors such as amber yellow, marble gray, cobalt violet, and onyx black. The S24 Ultra variant's case features titanium, emphasizing its premium build. However, the rumored suitcase with NFC technology for changing the device's wallpaper and UI theme is not shown. More details on cases and accessories are expected to be unveiled during the Unpacked event. Conclusion: with the Unpacked event just around the corner, the anticipation for the Samsung Galaxy S24 series continues to build. From performance upgrades to display enhancements and leaked images of first-party cases, the S24 lineup promises a blend of innovation and refinement. As we eagerly await the official unveiling on January 17th, stay tuned for more updates on specs, design, and pricing for each model in the Galaxy S24 series. Subscribe for future updates and let us know your thoughts on these exciting features in the comment section below. For more in-depth coverage, check out our channel and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.